Namaste. Good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure. Addressing all the dignitaries that we have here, our guest of honor, Jay Sai Deepak, our learners, and the Rashtraam and Rishihood team, and a lot of us who are, the ones who are watching us online, a lot of well-wishers across the globe who are keenly awaiting this particular moment when we would be starting the accelerator program, the one-year PG diploma in public leadership. This is the day that a lot of us have been waiting for, and it has finally come. But what I would want to also talk about today is what went behind coming so far. Um, about a few years back, when we thought that we should have a one-year residential program, the flagship program of Rastram, that is going to train the future public leaders of India, steeped in the Indian knowledge traditions. It was just an idea, and a lot of effort then went into we can understand what public leadership means, right? Because it's probably nowadays being used very commonly. But how do we create public leaders who are grounded in our knowledge systems? That is a very, very big challenge. Not that, we have a huge heritage of several millennia that has brought this knowledge tradition to us. But then we need the scholars who can dip into it, pull out the essence of it, and then bring it into a classroom in the form of a learning design. That was the big challenge. So, as a concept, it seemed very exciting. But to bring it to this position where we could design an entire year's program and then reach out to the world and then look for the young people out there who would be willing to do a program like this. That was another big challenge because you know what it is about, right? When you talk about higher education, particularly, it's about building careers and jobs and many different things. But here we are saying that we want you to invest one year into yourself and then go ahead and lead the world. So that was a challenge. And when we finally came to about doing it, then COVID hit. Some of you, I know all of, about 10 of you here are from the batch that got selected last year. And then we decided there are differing opinions that came about. Some people said you could go online, but then we thought we would not. We would defer this program for a year and only start it in person. Um, that I think turned out to be a great decision, and I would thank all our founding trustees, most importantly, who imposed their faith on us and said, "Don't worry, you wait for a year, pick up the costs, and then only start when you have a better environment to start the program and start it in person." Along with that, we had a lot of support from the Rishihood University that helped us get hosted in this beautiful campus and start this program. Um, a bit about the cohort itself. It is we have 25 learners, 17 boys and 8 girls. Interestingly, 40% of you are from the engineering background. And I relate to that a lot, and I'm sure our guest of honor, Jesai Deepak, would also relate to it a lot. All of us here believe if we had a program like this when we were studying, we would have benefited a lot because we have gone through this convoluted route of doing so many different things, and finally now we are designing a program like this. So I think it's a great opportunity that we have been able to create a program like this where young learners could take this from the beginning. Uh, Also, very importantly, I want to acknowledge the patience of the learners who have deferred the program for a year. As I said, 10 of you decided that we would not go and do anything else but wait for a year to join the inaugural cohort of Rastram. That shows a lot of faith that you have had in this program. It's not common. I have myself deferred programs, but when it's a big university, it's a very established program, and you know the outcomes, and you are very sure that you want to do this. But here, it's particularly what you saw in the program design that we have made and the promises we have made, and you have posed your faith on us. That's thanks a lot for that. And when today morning during breakfast, I was interacting with a few of you. Some of you said, "Sir, you interviewed me." So I've interviewed a few of you here. So what were we looking for when we call it the accelerator program? We're looking for young people who have had that start in life and are have a huge ambition to go ahead and do something, but are looking for the means. This is a 1 year compressed 11-month program as we have designed, and today is the day one. So we are all looking forward to how this will go ahead and deliver, and of course, a lot of you looking for your cooperation in this. Along with the cohort, I would want to also talk about a bit about our faculty. We have 5 full-time resident faculty, and very interestingly, we have designed it as a mentor-mentee model. Um, whenever we talk about Rashtraam, one word very often used by the people who listen to us is, "Oh, is it like a Gurukul?" Even during the interviews, I would, "Oh, is it like a modern Gurukul?" So yes, some of the elements from there we have tried to pick up and bring it into our pedagogy, particularly the Acharya and the Shishya model, where you have very personalized learning, unlike a typical classroom where everybody learns something, then goes right assessments and graduates. Here, each learning path is being customized to your particular needs. So we have mentors, our resident faculty who would be mentoring what 5 to 6 learners each. We have 5 resident mentors who are there. Very importantly, today is Guru Purnima as well. So they will guide you and shape you. That's the very auspicious occasion we have chosen to start this. We a lot of team members here you would have met informally. They would also be here to take you through this program, and they come from very different, varied backgrounds with a lot of experience from different domains. So we will also learn along with all of you, while you would be able to benefit from their varied experience as well. Particularly, we have some executive education programs here. Some of you have participated in the boot camp, the program for executives, right? So you would also benefit from learning, cross learning through what happens in our shorter programs, learning from their experiences. A lot of cross learning is possible. We would be learning from you, and all of you would also be participating in the different programs at Rashtraam. And we are hosted in the Rishi University. Rishi University itself has a very good ecosystem of 4 different schools: the Entrepreneurship School, Healthcare School, Education School, and the Creativity School, along with the Rashtraam School of Public Leadership. So very different faculty, very different domains. A lot of interdisciplinary learning is also possible by interacting with other students would be here and other faculty who are here. Uh, I hope all of you make a lot of good use of that. Um, just on my flight to Mumbai 2 days back, I was reading a book written by our senior faculty here, Dr. Sampadananda Mishra ji. In that, there is a verse that is quoted from Ramayan Jari by written by Kshemendra. Right? He said, "Chaturbihi Purusha Parikshyate." There are 4 ways a person is judged. Right? Kulena, Shilena, Gunena, Karmana. Kulen, Kul, Shil, Gun, or Karma. So I thought a very good summary of how a person is judged, and that is what we would want to create here through all of you. So all of you have your family backgrounds. That is what you have come here with, the Kulen part. Sheel and Gun. That is what we would want to instill during our program here, right? Sheel is the character, and the Gul are the qualities that we would want to instill. And then the world will judge you by your karma. So we are between the Kul and your karma. Here we are to hopefully instill the sheel and the gun that you can carry with you when you go outside. Um, the faculty members here, led by Raghav, who is our associate dean, has designed a very unique learning design. You would have heard of this meta skills, right? Not very often spoken about that. It's not about skills. It's not about particular subject matter alone. It's about meta skills, skills that will keep you relevant in changing times, skills that you can apply in different contexts according to the need, right? Various competencies that you would want to build, and all of it being derived from our knowledge traditions. So it has been very carefully handpicked faculty members here, as well as the visiting faculty who will come interact with all of you and would want to bring our knowledge heritage in the classroom and provide it in a very short capsule that we have 11 months with you, and then you will be taking this forward. So looking forward to that as well. And we very often, when people ask us how would you explain the Rashtraam learning design, we use this verse from the Shanti Parva of Mahabharata, right? It says, Acharyat Padam Adate, Padam Shishya Swamedhaya, Padam Swa Brahmachari Bihi, Kalen Padam Adate. So it's divided into 4 quarters, how the learning happens, right? The student learns 1/4 from the teacher. That's what would happen in the classroom. 1/4 from your own intelligence, Swamedhaya, from your own intelligence. 1/4 from the peers, and that's why we will have various study groups among you. And 1/4 only with time. That's what is our inspiration when we created the learning design here, the mentor-mentee model, the peer learning, the classroom teaching, and the live experiences that you will have in your projects as well as after you graduate from Rashtraam. Given that this is the inaugural batch, and one of our team members just had their first child, so I brought this up. This is when you have your first child. I mean, I also recently became a parent, right? it is a big responsibility in many ways on us that we can bring up the child in the right way. And also, the child usually takes the family's responsibility as well. So the responsibility lies in mutual ways. That somehow the first child is very dear, as well as the child takes the responsibility of the family and the whole community. So we look forward that all of you would be the examples that when you graduate from here, that would set the benchmark very high. Um, what to also touch upon, what would be our expectations from you? I've been telling you what your background is, how the program is designed, but our expectations from you as well. Our faculty member here, Srijit, has recently written a few articles on the meta values. We have talked about meta skills. So what are the meta values? Values again that are applied in different contexts, right? So very interestingly, he has chosen three of them: Shraddha, Tarka, and Vinaya. I would not do a loose English translation, but I think you get it because it is common across all languages. Can we develop these three different meta values? Shraddha, Tarka, and Vinaya. And the quote you see here behind me, right, Rashtrasya Moolam Indriya Jaya, very interestingly also talks about Vinaya, how it comes, and how this comes in the Chanakya Sutras. Says Sukhasya Mula Dharmaha, right? Dharmasya Mula Artha, Arthasya Moolam Rajyam, Rajyasya Moolam Indriya Jaya. On that we did a word play and we did Rashtrasya Moolam Indriya Jaya, Indriya Jayasya Moolam Vinaya. So that is the first five sutras of the Chanakya Sutras. And this is, if we can imbibe this, and this is where we will have it everywhere that is visible to you, very uniquely thought about, of course, deriving from our knowledge traditions and bringing it in the classroom and in the learning design. That how do we create leaders who can master their senses? And to master your senses, Indriya Jayasya Moolam Vinaya. So, how do you develop that? Vinay within you. And it talks about how it can be done. So I'm very excited to be here, and this is the first day of your 11-month journey. Uh, Thank you all for taking this leap of faith in a very, very difficult year because the external circumstances are still not resolved. I know a lot of you, I mean, the admissions were happening during the second wave of COVID. A lot of you were personally affected, your family members were affected, were financially hit, and yet you all said that yes, we would want to be a part of this program. Thank you for that. Uh, that being said, this is not, I'm not going to talk about this is going to be fun. It's going to be very challenging in many ways because you would want to prepare you for the real world. And this is the microcosm of what's going to happen outside. So you'll be challenged in many different ways, not just academically, non-academically. In many different ways, you will be challenged. That's how we have designed the accelerated learning program here, so that the best out of you comes out. Um, yeah, and thank you for all being here. As we start this journey, and today also being the Guru Purnima, I would just wish that the grace of the Gurus continues to shower on Rashtraman and all of us. They have been very kind to us. That this is how we have come so far, taking a small dream that started a few years back, and then we have been able to materialize it so far. But it's a long way to go, and we'll do it together. Thank you. Namaste.